Yo, what's up, mob? I'm doing really good. Yeah, I watched the video. It was really good. Nice job, dude. Oh, damn. Right now, I've just been in here like past few minutes just working on the lighting. The lighting's not very good right now, so I'm just tweaking it until it looks like something okay. This is kind of like simulator type, or like, you know, simulator type lighting, but it's a little too bright and a little too vibrant for the material use. So it's not gonna work out very good. Nah, dude, you sounded fine. Ah, perfect. I think that's good. Alright, so I've yet to do multiplayer testing. So, do you think you... Okay. You think you could join? Hey, what's even cool? Set state, paused. I can pause the entire thing now because because of the new game loop. So let me set this back to map selecting. Oh, I did that. Oh, weird. I think I gotta do this. Set con. It's a little messed up right now. it doesn't take too kindly to pausing. So if I just whatchamacallit, set this post round. All right. What is... Oh my gosh. I figured out what's wrong, or at least I know what's wrong. I didn't add the sword adding to the game loop. It's the game loop is still isn't finished. it's a little janky. So let me do this. If flags not flag the attribute pause. The demo version was made for the Dark YouTube Discord. Since I didn't, I'm gonna keep the code for free. Okay, remember. Hey, you know, anyone who can download anyone who has a plugin off Roblox can get the code, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. All plugins are just stored locally. Like, these are all the plugins I have installed. You can access them locally. In round, move player, sword, new, play, no, config.data player dot data dot equipped dot sword player true false. Once you're done, of course. Wait, hold on. Oh. Okay, wait, no. What? Oh my god. Oh, wait. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I was testing the loudness for each song. It just checking the volume for each song, making sure it wasn't too loud on, you know, average volume. Why am I naked? Who cares? If I say set minimum players 1, and I say toggle flag loop paused, and if I say it again, okay, nice. I can't hear Roblox Studio audio. Oh wait, whoops! I can fix that. Where's my game audio? Audio, game audio, not risk of rain. Roblox this, right? Alright, let me unmute this. Pull this up, turn down Spotify. And let me make this a bit quieter so you can actually hear me. Alright, toggle flag, ignore last alive. Yo, what's up? Alright, now we actually get the swords. So I am going to comment this out because I don't need it right now. It is pretty useful having it though, the state changes printed. I need to look up the commander documentation real quick because I forgot how to do something. Where is... Where's... whatever. Commander... I need API reference... command... arguments. Alright. I need to make documentation for... Yeah. Oh, okay. So I forgot. Not only that, I need to do union. Where... Those are hooks. These are hooks. Am I blind? What the fuck? Oh, okay, Jesus, I'm so stupid. Oh wait, sorry, I did not see you guys' messages. I didn't have it. What's up? Yeah, I hear it now. Speaking of that, I needed to talk to you. This is my bad. What's up? Did I tell you about the bug I was facing? No, you did not. Sorry guys, I didn't see your messages. Alright. Where's my commands? Alright. I need to do give sword. Optional equals false, or wait, no, equals true. Default equals 1. So the bug was when I was making it, it would detect that a template was flipped, but it wouldn't load on. Yes. That's what I meant to do. Excuse me. Damn. Why am I naked? Give sword. Freaky sword. No. What? Oh. Maxipotamus? Why do I feel like I've heard that before? Maxipotamus. Maxipotamus. I swear to God, I've heard that name before. There was this guy I used to play with. I used to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition with this guy, and on the server I would host, his name was Maxipotamus, and that's who you reminded me of. His Xbox name was Maxipotamus. But that does not explain why I'm naked. Toggle flag, visualize hitbox. In any case, see ya. Okay. So I need to go to client controllers, client controller, components, UI, modules, sort shop, and then when I go down here to enable, when the exit activated, page it did say 69,420. Why am I naked? So if I go over here, and I exit and I re-enter, it should be reset to, okay, yeah. I had this issues where on the sword shop, it would, if I went like all the way over here and then I exited and then I re-entered, it would display the rusty sword, but the text would still say this. So I made it reset the page context ID. Freaky sword. Where my hug at? 69,420 shards. The reason it's so expensive is, one, it's a funny number, and two, I don't know. So first there's the rusty sword, and then there's the Great Flame, which is the first real actual sword, other than the rusty sword. But everyone has the rusty sword. I really like this sword shop. It's very. If I model a sword, would you add it? That depends, because I already have a sword models. If I could fucking find them. Assets, misc, unused swords. Okay, here it is. I already have sword models. This is the one I used for the Great Flame. But I would like a lot of variation. So like I don't want them all to be the same, because that'd be so super boring. So I want like variation in like style and build and, you know, whatever. So I've made quite a few sword fight games, and sword fight games will always have like a very, very special place in my heart, because the first game I ever made was a sword fight game. And I've made so many sword fight games. I love making sword fight games. There's just something about it. And this is obviously my best one yet. Every time I make them, they just get better, because I, you know, keep learning how to make them better and better. And in past few versions, I've had this service where you can download a map template and create your own map. Like I kind of did that for here for a little while, but I never paid much attention to it because I wasn't super worried about the maps at the time. Now I'm starting to put the maps a little bit higher in priority. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this nuke. I kind of just put it here. It's kind of like just one of those decoration things, like this, and there's some. Oh yeah, this. These are just like little landmarks and stuff. Just add variety. And if I'm being honest, the mannequins, they do a super good job of adding variety. 500 Robux to everyone. That would be hilarious, but that's not the kind of monetization I'm gonna go for. And if I'm now that I mean I've been thinking about it, but like I don't know if I said this before, but this is the first time I've ever made a game not for profit. Literally all of my games all my games have always been for for passion. All my games are passion projects except for this one. And this is the first time I'm actually putting work in a game. But the thing is, the more I work on it, the less I start feeling the need to make it for money. Because like every time I try to make a for-profit game, it always just ends up being a passion project, and I just never monetize it, and it pisses me off because I want money, and I'm 100% capable of making games that will earn me money. I don't know, I'm just bad at making for-profit games. I just love making passion projects because, you know, Roblox is a big part of me, if I'm being honest. Development, Louis U, Roblox Studio, all of it. It's a huge part of me, a huge part of what I am. And if I feel like subconsciously, if I am scared of deriving to greedy methods of making money, and I don't want to do that because I love Roblox so much. That's why I started to move over to plugin monetization. I think plugins are great, but I think with games you have a much wider demographic because, you know, imagine the ratio of people on Roblox who actually are willing to pay for plugins. First, you have the tiny ratio of actual, you know, regular players to Roblox, like, you know, Roblox Studio users, and then the even smaller ratio of Roblox Studio users to Roblox Studio users who are scumbaggy, who aren't scumbaggy enough to, you know, not pay for shit, and they just get all their shit for free, and they're just like a skid. It's a very, very small demographic, but if you do it right, it works great. Okay. You should Jesus Christ. You should make a you should attempt to yeah. You should use a service kind of like Parcel or something, or literally anything like that. And if you want to use Robux for your purchases, use Parcel. Make a Parcel asset store. And then you can just have it send the RBXM. That would work great. Publish. Do you want to rejoin the sword fight game so we can actually test it? You have a vendor hub. That'd probably work. That works great too. To be honest, I like vendor. Me personally, I've never used vendor. I've only ever used Parcel for my Robux transactions, which I don't normally do. I usually just do USD, which works out fine for me because I don't buy a lot of Robux, and I don't like DevXing is annoying because of the taxes. It was the hub before Parcel. There we go. I will say this: the Great Flame is an extremely overpowered sword, so it still needs bouncing. What the hell? Oh, you died. You died because of fire. I thought the game loop was breaking. So it does fire damage over time. How come you don't chat in Roblox chat? What is this spawn? Alright, here, let me go in studio real quick. If I go to server library configuration, spawn radius, it's set to 40. So it should only be spawning around here. I think this is 100 or 100 by 20. So maybe I set this down to like maybe 30, 35. Hold on, wait. I think I made a plugin or a really bad thing for this. What's it called? Yo, what's up, Scoffy? Spawn radius. Set this to 30. Damn it. Whatever. Yeah, I need to fix the set config plugin. Or sorry, set. Oh, time ran out. I need to fix the set config command because it can be useful in situations like this. Hey, watch this. What? Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna die real quick. And I'm gonna go in here. And I'm going to... What is going on? I don't know why that is happening. But I'm gonna equip that. Duh, I don't know why that's happening, but that can be fixed. So I got the freaky sword. It has to do with the offset. It probably won't be that hard to fix. I can just go back to a previous version, copy the position. Alright, freaky sword. This sword is awesome. Can I get... No. This is my sword, and only mine. Hold on. Let me do this. Give sword... you can have 1,000 100 rusty swords. There you go. You now have equipped 101 rusty swords. So one shot and I'm dead. Oh damn. Alright. I don't know what's up with the sword, but that I can fix that in a little bit. Hold on. Toggle flag. Loop pause. Get out of here. Get out of here. Wait. where did I knock him out of the map? Stand still. You goober. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, he's at spawn. Get off my head. What? This sword is awesome. Hold on, I'm gonna give you all what's go? Oh, okay. I thought I was tweaking super hard right there. I thought the whole thing was broken. I had the loop paused. Wait, what? I guess I have to die? What the hell? Alright, it has to do with me paused in the loop. I accidentally paused the loop mid game, so I gotta do that. I gotta restart the server. Whoops. Minor oversight on my end. My bad, guys. Excuse me. But if you guys do want to model a sword and make whatchamacallits, what the hell? What the hell is going on? Hold on. Something is not right. What is going on? The game's like broken. Am I the only one who's experiencing like insane lag? Why do I have 600 ping? Oh my gosh, I cannot play like that. That server is not doing me justice. I gotta restart. Yeah, because I was so laggy, my entire shop broke. And also it was a matter of me being a bad coder. But that's not the point. You're not winning against... Yeah, you're not gonna win against him when he has the, use... Yes, I will be doing that. Oh, he was in the shop. Oh, whoa, there's a lot of errors. Whoa, what? I mean, I guess fair enough, because this is the first time I'm testing actual multiplayer. Okay, I'm taking a screenshot of those errors. And taking a screenshot of the client errors. That's not an error. First code, yeah. I added badges. And if you already have kills and you don't have the first kill badge, then you're just gonna get it. Hey. No! I win. I want to win. Interesting. Errors. Nice. Okay. So what? Yeah, why is my other avatar on the thumbnail? What thumbnail? Are you talking about the game thumbnails? I just took random pictures of random things. What happened to bananas? I gotta fix this. Where you can just stand on the side. I also fixed the exploding, so now everyone actually explodes. You better knock it off, boy. Damn it. I think that has to do with the collision fidelity of the actual grass, because the grass is a unioned out. So what is happening? Alright. The arrows I'm getting is sword 250. 215. You're not using precise? What are you talking about? G215. Also hit owner. Oh. Alright, so what happened was I duplicated this so I could get the exact dimensions, and then I had to reunion it, and I forgot to update the fidelity. Body, grass. Okay, it is precise convex decomposition. What? This is most likely the issue, so I'm gonna go through all these walls and make them visible. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna increase the size by 2. Not that many 2s. 2. Anyways. And then I'm going to go to position and -1. Right, now I'm gonna make this. Oh, okay, that's not anchored. That's what's happening. Okay, that is what's happening. Okay, okay. I am gonna make all these non-collidable. Can't collide equals false. I'm also gonna make the glass. I'm gonna keep the glass collidable because I don't know. No reason not to. So now set all the barriers transparent. And rendering. Not rendering. It is physics. It should be either contact islands or there's those. And collision. Performance. That's not what I wanted to do. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. Receivers. Am I fucking blind? I don't care. I don't need to do it. I already fixed it. Oh, you know what it could be? It could be the dirt. It is not the dirt. The long dirt tube. Where's anchors? There it is. Okay, we're good. Okay. Alright, now I need to fix the sword error, which is if self.config.on hit then end. Excuse me. Publish. So, is that the only error? I guess so. And I also need to go into services, components, testing. If not workspace, find first show. I don't know. Testing. Oh. Oh, I forgot to set up my lag. Oh my god. Dude, this is the model, the base model, you know, position where the model will spawn in the shop. And then inside of each sword, if I go to swords, whoops. If I go to swords, you know, like rusty sword, they each have their own, am I blind? Oh, here. Okay, yeah. If they have it. So, for example, the Great Flame has shop position offset and shop angle offset, so you can offset them. So that works. But this was not anchored, and it is meant to be anchored. I also need to set all these to can't collide. Off. Can't collide off, I mean. I'm contemplating setting this to can't collide off as well. What would be a valid price for the plugin? I don't think deciding price for the plugin is a good idea so early in development, but for starting, I'd say, I don't know if it's an option, I'd say maybe $4.99. For some reason I was gonna say $7.99, but I don't think that's an option from what I can remember. Freaky sword. That's what I forgot to do. Alright, I need to increase the, can you make fart-ass sword? I can! And I will. Not because you told me, but because I want to. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know. Maybe... I'd say, for now, in the range of 150 to 250. Without tax. So you gotta... I don't know. That's what I'm saying it's worth. Is scam. It what? Alright, exit. I need to set all these indexes way up. So this is index, these two are going on like 2, and this one is going on 1. Okay, that works. Control S. I still don't know why I don't have close in in studio. Like, I have shirt and pant, but it's just not loading. Am I under 18? You're asking me? Or Shadow? Which one? Me or Shadow? Okay, yeah, I'm under 18. I'm 16. Jesus. Excuse me. Let's see. I should move in the next and previous buttons a little. Why are you paying taxes on Roblox, DevX? Because I'm a goober. I'm a goofy goober. That's why. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. That's a good question. You thought I was way younger. Everyone thinks I'm way younger. Ugh. It's because of my squeaky ass voice. It pisses me off. Okay, I need to fix that. 375. If not, then I'll just do 0.4. Since we're retaining US Roblox, that's where you're allowed to go. Cool. I'm talking the 30% tax on Robux itself. I think the 30% tax is annoying. So whenever I sell plugins, I prefer to sell them at USD. Or, if possible, I would use the gift Robux thing where you can give people Robux. So in this, you can give people Robux with 0 tax. If I wanted Robux, but I prefer USD. Equippy. Okay, I should make next and previous slightly taller. 7.5, made my portfolio. I did check out your the website in your bio. It looked very good. I guess I just gotta set this to 4. It's gonna be the buttons are gonna be super close, and it's not gonna look very good, but it's whatever. Oh, I guess, yeah, they look okay. Thank you. Nice. Set player data, Versier, shards, 10,000, 100,000. What? Missing method, find first child or table. What? Where did I run find first child on a table? Server library util line 57. Player. Sorry, I'm not 8 years long. Sorry, I'm not 8 years long. I was 8 years old. Oh wait, hold on. I have live chat enabled, so some are filtered. Wait, what? Wait, what? Sorry, I'm not 8 years long. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Okay, so the error you sent me, that has nothing to do with anything. It that I see it in all my projects. It's just, I think it's just what the fuck am I saying? It's just a random issue with Roblox itself. Set player data. Server. Right? So, player. Oh, okay. For underscore player in pairs players do end. Player index string any. Okay, yeah, that should fix it. Okay, set player data receiver shards 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that's still an issue. Maybe I should bring these up a little, or I don't know what to do about that. I don't know. Here, I'm gonna... Alright, first, let's do this. Let's enable sword shop, and let's enable, set these to, where are these? Am I blind? Why? This is should be 0.5. What the hell? Am I blind? Why can't I see this? All these are... Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I was looking at position, I was looking at size, not position. Whoops. What the hell? Let me undo everything I just did. Alright. Set all these position 0.5. Alright. Workspace dot camera dot cframe equals workspace dot game dot function dot shops dot sword dot function dot camera dot cframe. Alright. I'm homeschooled, so all the time is summer break, and I do homework. Well, I guess all work is homework, and when you're homeschooled, and I do work on summer break. What? What do you mean how? How am I homeschooled? That's what I'm asking. No, I don't get a summer break. I don't know why I would get one. Oh, this is so irritating. I could use a UI icon, but that's actually the first thing I tried. Instead of doing text, I tried doing little arrows for previous and next, but it didn't go super amazing, mega perfect. Icon. Alright, we're gonna throw a UI aspect ratio on these babies. And I'm gonna reclass this to image label, and I'm going to set this to -20, -20. So get rid of the UI stroke, turn off the text, and arrow. 520. That looks arguably better. I'm gonna copy these. Throw not in there. Throw those there. Make this invisible. Icon. CCC. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. See if that looks like. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay. Let's go here and let's set this to. Alright, these should be X, Y. X should be 0. Wait, no. X should be. Wait, no, yeah, 0.5. Whoops. I'm forgetting to set the size, which is 1. So 9.5 is the very edge. And it should be 0.5 over here. Buttons. Yeah, perfect. And interact should be big 4.5. And then these can be big. I say 8. And then buttons can be tiny. I'm thinking about making buttons a little bit shorter. Nah. We'll work with that and see how those look. So position 2. Alright, source shop. As well. Set player data, receiver, shards, 100, 100, 10 million, 100 million. Alright, so 100 million is about the max you could have, or technically it's not 190, but you know, I'm talking about the characters. Is the max characters you could have before, you know, touching, you know, the arrows, but I doubt anyone's gonna get to 100 million shards anytime soon, so I'm not worried. You know, it takes. I will make fart ass sword. Calm down. Weird. Alright. What should fart ass sword look like? Do you have anything specific in mind? Or do I just have like creative freedom? Creative freedom. You gonna say something? I mean, I have to summer break and I'm doomed. What? Dude, I'm talking about fart ass sword. What are you talking about? Do you want me to make fart ass sword or not, dude? Being like vague. Okay, I guess I'm not making fart ass sword. Alright, where's the lifetime? Who's my one concurrent viewer? Okay. That's what I thought. It needs to be a little more red. Bro. I could do you a favor. Try running that plugin, I guess. Yo, what's up, Elko? Right, there's an error. No. I took a break during the day, I guess. I just took a break between streams. So I streamed for 7 hours, and then I got a few hours of sleep, and then I woke up, I started streaming again, and then I took a few hour break, and now I'm streaming again. So yeah, a few hours ago, streamed 6 hours. Then this morning I streamed 7 hours, and now I'm streaming again. So you cannot use the plugin if you don't own a license. Okay. Wait, what do you mean you cannot use a plugin if you don't own a license? What group? Oh, okay, the Discord server. Purchase plugin. Okay. God, am I blind? Interesting. I don't think your thing is scaled. I should say license found or something. Autocomplete cleanup, advanced template manager, autocomplete registered, advanced template manager activated. Nice. Yeah, I really like this playlist. Like so many of the classic songs on Roblox and like YouTube are made by Kevin MacLeod, and a lot of what the fuck, a lot of Lumber Tycoon 2 songs are also made by Kevin MacLeod, and I love Lumber Tycoon 2 so much. It is kind of outrageous. I love Lumber Tycoon 2 so much. I used to play it all the time. Like, it would be the only game I would play 24/7, as much as possible. I'd play it, and it was good. It was good times. It was good times. Nice, now I have autofill. So I added hooks, so now I can connect. So right here I have the on hit hook, which is like, you know, for the Great Flame, and this just creates a flame and it does a fire iteration. It's super janky right now, but it works great, and there's also garbage collection, so there's no real issue with it. It works. Great Flame dot on hitbox start equals function user. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Okay, types. Hold on, I need to go to sword. I need to steal. Steal all. Steal this. The hell? Alright, I gotta go. Good talking to you and good night. Good night, dude. Alright, I know there's no one watching, but just in case anyone watches the VOD, but I highly doubt anyone will watch the whole thing. Or maybe they'll just skip to the end. What the fuck? Anyways, I'm pretty tired. I've done a lot of streaming in the past 24 hours. Like, 6 hours, 7 hours, and then this is about 2 hours, almost 2 hours. So that's like equal to a little bit, at least like 3 hours in total, at least. I don't know, it's 7 plus 6, so 13 plus 2. I'm fucking stupid, I don't even know, man. But yeah, you figure it out. It's like I don't know, like 3,000 hours around there. But anyways, good night. See nobody later. See nobody. Literally nobody's watching. But I'm not even talking to anyone. But who the fuck cares? Good night, I guess, or good morning. I don't. Good evening. Shut up.